Hi, I'm Jeanette, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. Today I'm going to go over turning on commenting within your galleries. In your Zenfolio account, click on the galleries icon on the left-hand side. Select a gallery you want to enable commenting in. Go into the settings of the gallery. Open the commenting tab on the left-hand side. Now toggle the commenting switch to the on position. And you're all set. With commenting enabled within a gallery, invited clients will be able to view and leave comments for you. This is a great way to communicate directly within the gallery for client proofing in addition to favoriting. Now here's a quick note. Commenting is only available for invited clients of a gallery. Guests and other visitors will not be able to comment on photos. You will need to add individual clients to the gallery to allow them to comment after enabling commenting. Now let's go over commenting notification settings. If you'd like to be notified of new comments on your photos, simply adjust them in notification settings. You can click on your name at the top right corner, and then click on Account Settings. Then you can navigate towards the Account tab. From there, you go down to the Notification Settings section. And now you can select to turn on client comments. In the notification settings, you can then adjust whether you want to receive notifications in your account and through email notifications. And here you can adjust the frequency of how often you're going to receive these emails. Now let's go over viewing and responding to comments. To view new comments, you can click on the notification bell on the top right-hand corner, or you can go into the gallery and select the Activity tab. You will also notice that there are orange notification dots to indicate unread comments. From there, select the Comments tabs on the left-hand side. Here you will see the comments currently present on photos in the gallery. Once you click on the comment to view it, you can respond to the comment on the photo using the text box at the bottom of the comment window. As always, feel free to chat with us or email at support@zenfolio.com and we will be happy to lend a hand.